Hi guys, so it's Christmas soon and you're probably like a lot of people right now and you don't have all your gifts, but I have a solution for you and it's the best last minute Christmas gift that you could ever find. And it's called a training that is going to make you earn money online. So let's dive into action right now, and I'm going to tell you exactly what kind of training you can take in order to offer yourself or your loved one the best gift ever. So let's go right now. So before we dive into action, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell in order to know when I post new stuff online. So just click right here and you're gonna subscribe to my channel. And if you could please give me some comments and give me some likes. I really like your comments and I reply to all of them personally. So let's dive into action. So what I wanted to suggest you today, it's a gift that you can give to yourself or that you can give to your loved ones, and it's the best training that you can find out there in order to start your online business. So how it's gonna start is that you're gonna go to the intro blueprint. So you're gonna have the link right below. So it's the first link in the description. You dive into action right away. You're gonna have a free ebook. So you start with the free ebook to get started, and after that, as soon as you want to dive into action, you just click on the link and you take the Entre Blueprint training, and you're going to really have with this training the entrepreneur mindset that you need to have in order to be successful online. So it's really priceless, and I can tell you because I've been through all these steps exactly what you're gonna do or what your loved ones are gonna do. So depending on if you decide to keep that gift for yourself or give it to others. So you're gonna go through the intro blueprint. So I'm gonna show you my screen right now. So here I am in the Enter Blueprint training. So you're going to have to go through 6 different steps in order to achieve your business plan. And I can tell you it's not a boring business plan like all businesses do. It's really a business plan that is going to lead you to just putting your goals on a paper and be able to achieve them. So you're really going to put your goals on paper, and they're going to be so clear in your mind that you're never going to stop taking massive actions in order to achieve them. So after the intro blueprint, you can go further and decide to take one of 3 courses or 3 courses that is going to give you really a full training. So I'm going to show you which training you can take. The one I took is the Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator. So with that package, I got the Awesome Life Challenge that I haven't started yet, and I have the Ultra Nation Elite that I haven't started yet, but it says 0%, but I'm already having weekly trainings with really professional trainers every week, and they answer to your questions right away. So you're going to be on Zoom with them and they answer to your questions as soon as you write them. They're really super proactive and they've been in the industry for really a long time. So it's really great to have super nice trainers that are helping you in your journey. So I took the Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator because I really like affiliate marketing. It's really something that I actually love promoting. But you could have the Agency Millionaire Accelerator, which is the course to learn exactly what to do if you want to build a digital agency. And you have the course Millionaire Accelerator. So it's everything you need to know in order to start your own course online and promote it and just start earning money with your course. So if you're passionate about photography, about yoga, about whatever you want to promote and that you want to teach to people, you're going to learn exactly what you need to do if you want to build your own online course. Also, you can go with the intro coaching or the intro inner circle, which is really going further in the really a private coaching. So if you want to be one-on-one with a coach, you take the intro coaching and the intro inner circle, and you're really going to have the proper training that you need in order to fast forward your success online. So guys, I think it's one of the best Christmas gift that you can offer to yourself or offer to a member of your family or your loved ones. It's only $39, so it's fit in most budgets. And after that, if you want to go further, you're going to be welcome and you're going to have that that entrepreneur mindset that is going to really lead you to be able to go online and promote whatever niche you're in. It's covering 100% of the niche that you can think about, and you're really going to have the proper training you need in order to be successful online. So if you want to dive into that in 2021, let's go take that course. It's the best Christmas gift that you can have or that you can give to someone that you love. So if you like that video, I invite you to please click on the link below. You can join the training right now, and you can also please subscribe to my channel and give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments, so I really appreciate when you post some comments in my videos. So take care, guys. Have a really wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.